Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, welcome to Boom in the Sky. Thanks for coming, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm here in Okeechobee, Florida. I just joined the Florida Pyrotechnics Art Guild just today. They're having a show. I'll give you guys a walkthrough over here, but anyway, thanks for coming. They're gonna shoot all sorts of different shells and shows, and they've built stuff. There's consumer stuff. Four Season Fireworks is here, so we're gonna get some stuff. Picked up some stuff that I'm gonna use in my 4th of July show. So a lot of Dominator Pro and some of their own label, Four Season Fireworks, FSF. So anyway, I will link the video that I did of Four Season Fireworks right here, so check that out as well. But anyway, it's a little bit windy here. I'm hiding behind a camper. It's a cool 3-day event. There's a bunch of people. So I'll give you guys a walkthrough and take you around. So let's go. Okay guys, so here is the show that's going off tonight. We've got all 1.4 consumer. We've got 1.4 consumer over here, a couple different stations using the one of the firing systems. There we go. We got some of that Dominator Pro, Sunwing, Maddox. We've got racks. We've got other stuff that's being fused up, I guess. So we've got some slices. And then, not that you can see it, but I can't go too far, but we've got finale racks. Well, first we have Muscolettos on the wire, the cable there. We've got a whole bunch of 4, 5, and 6 inch. We've got a Girandola. And then way in the back, you can't quite see it, there's a bunch of rockets over here, and then there's some buried, all out there, there's a bunch of buried mortar tubes that are 8 and 9s and maybe even 10s. I believe they've built them all, so check those out. So I guess you can't see it too much. And then we've got some other stuff over here, some wires and stuff that they're fusing up. So anyway, that's what's going on. All right, so that is the show. We're gonna pause here. We're gonna walk back to where we can be, and we're gonna hopefully shoot some stuff off too. Just fuse it up real quick. So anyway, yeah, that's it. Later. We'll see you guys at 9:30, 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock-ish, 8:30. So anyway, again, we're in Okeechobee. This is the Florida Pyrotechnics Art Guild. 2F is what they call it. They have 2 festivals a year that are pyrotechnics festivals. So anyway, that's where it's at. We'll see you guys again soon.